Destination reached. Earth Dimension 4 Charlie 5. Beginning Bootstrap Protocol 9. Echo 1.
Congratulations to the Buffalo Bills. They finally won a Super Bowl.
We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information for your local area. This is KD2VLM. We will continue to serve the world of coal. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the world of coal. Do not use your telephone. The telephone line should remain open for emergency use. At 10:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, creatures of unknown origin emerged in every city across the continental United States, Canada, Mexico, Russia, and China. These creatures began attacking residents who wore blue shirts. It is unknown why this is happening, but all residents of the United States must shelter in place at this time. To shelter in place, take the following actions now. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The sun has been knocked off its orbit by an unknown cosmic event. This is the end for all of us. Say goodbye to loved ones. Pray to your God for forgiveness. This is the final activation of the emergency alert system. We will now play the national anthem.